Okay, so let's solve this thing, right? Our step one is let's find the initial and final mass. Our initial mass is that mass, right? 310 kilograms, right? And then if we subtract 256, we get the final mass is 54 kilograms. That's our final mass. All right, that's a pretty good deal. Okay, so just subtract the mass of fuel. Here's our final mass. Here's our initial mass, right? Now let's find the thrust of the engine. So force times time is mass delta V, right? So let's see, 256 is we're really finding the force exerted on the fuel, which is sort of interesting, right? And then 881 is our exhaust velocity. And then 37 is our time that we make that fuel undergo that change in velocity, right? And then that's our force, right? Okay, so 256 times 881 divided by 37. 6095. So the force, the thrust of the engines is 6095.568 roughly. Right, and now we can figure out the initial and final accelerations. Okay, so the initial, we've got a rocket taking off, baby. Got to draw a good rocket. The upward force is 6095.6 newtons roughly, right? And then it's a 310 kilogram rocket, so the force down is 310 times 9.81. So what is that? 3041.1. So this is our downward force. And now we're all set. We can set this guy up. Here we go. 6095.6 minus 3041.1 is 310 times A. All right, so let's go that guy minus this guy divided by 310. 9.853. Okay, now let's get our final. In our final picture, we've got a mass of rocket. It's only 54 kilograms of rocket. But there still is a force of 6,095.6 up. And then 54 times 9.81 is 529.74. So this downward force is 529.74. So now we're set. Now we can go 6095.6 minus 529.74 equals 54 times A. Okay, so let's find that guy. There it is. That guy minus 529.74. And now I'm going to divide by 54. 103.07 meters per second squared. Okay, so step one, find your initial and final mass. Here's my initial. Final is initial minus fuel, right? Step two, figure out how to find the thrust. Usually with the thrust, you can just go force times time, mass delta V. If they give you kilograms per second, make it 1 second, how many kilograms it is. If they tell you how much total and then the time, then do this, right? Step three, figure out the weight and then figure out the net force and find the acceleration, right? And then do the same thing with the final, right? Happy hunting.